you.
Manufacturing units, airports, yeah. Schools, we do a lot of schools. There's a lot of use cases. And obstacle avoidance. We do LiDAR and cameras to be able to navigate. And if it sees something, it'll stop, go around it. Even if it was not on the original map,